Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can reschedule tasks in the Todoist mobile application. So let us begin. So let me launch the Todoist mobile app and let me navigate to the calendar icon at the bottom. So here guys, you will see, for example, all tasks that are already overdue. So if you'd like to change the date for one of these and reschedule them, simply tap into it. So let me go with that one here. As you can see, it was scheduled to November 27, which is already past due. So if you'd like to change the date, guys, simply tap into the given date of the task and select a new date from that menu here. Like, for example, you may go with today, tomorrow, this week, next week, or swipe down till you get to the calendar and select one of these dates here. So let me go with January 2nd. You may select also a time here at the bottom, tap into save. That's one way how you can do it. So as you can see, the task has been rescheduled. Option number 1 was that, and option number 2, you tap into reschedule here. Look for the task, for example, enter its name. And you will need to find it, of course, so I don't know any title of it, but you will need to enter the date, the title of the given task here. And after that, simply select the time and the new date here, tap into save. You may also select the calendar, the day from the calendar here, add a time below, and don't forget to tap into save here at the bottom to reschedule the task. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.